In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money right into your Gemini account. Really simple and really easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Now, when you log into your Gemini account, if you don't have a Gemini account, click on the link below in the description box. You can get right directed to Gemini if you can start investing today to cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and among others. Now at the top here it says transfer. We're gonna talk about depositing money to your exchange account, your Gemini Exchange account. Click on transfer, deposit into Gemini. You click right there. Then you'll be directed to this page right here that says transfer funds. We're going to talk about deposit into Gemini. I'm going to do a video about withdrawing from Gemini as well, so stay tuned for that video as well. Really simple and really easy. Now, deposit into Gemini, let's go here and we're going to select USD. That's going to be a fiat currency. We're going to select USD. Then the deposit method, we're also going to select the bank transfer. Now, the wire transfer has no deposit limit and available same day, but we're going to focus on the bank transfer because more people probably are going to use this versus the wire transfer. Now, it also says $25,000. Is that $25,000? Yeah, $25,000 USD remaining daily limit available instantly for trading. So when I deposit this money, I'll have this instantly for trading. So that means I can go ahead and invest into any type of cryptocurrency on this exchange. I'll click right there. And then the next spot, it says transfer from. Transfer from, I'm going to use the bank account that I've already set up in the Gemini Exchange. If you need to set up in a bank account, you can go to your account and go ahead and do that manually. You can do that under your account settings. You can do that in there. Now, also, I'm going to select this. Now, I'm using my Bank of America checking ending with your last 4 digits for security purposes. Now, they're not going to show everything, and they shouldn't. And so here we're going to do. And by the way, these are the asset balances right here. It also shows you what assets you currently have in your account. So I do like this as well, just to show you. Because what's going to happen is that when we deposit this money, when we deposit the money, this USD is going to be filled up with an actually amount. So we're going to press on continue, and it says deposit amount. We're going to put $10 down. We're going to continue, and then here's what it says. You're about to initiate a deposit into your Gemini account. Bank to your Gemini account. Here's the date. Here's the amount. It's from the checking account to primary, which is my primary account. ACH is the actually deposit method and available instantly for trading. And then also it says here, you authorize Gemini Trust Company, LLC, to deposit your Bank of America checking for $10 via bank transfer, if necessary, to initiate the credit and blah, blah, blah. You know, just more information, just definitely read that. So I just want to go ahead and show you exactly what that is, read a little bit of the information. Here we can go and review what we did, and we'll just click confirm. Now it says deposit of $10 USD has been initiated. So it has been initiated. So I've already had this already. So then I can go to the Gemini Exchange and I have this ready to go. If I click on USD here, your default. So now I can actually start trading. If I found, let me go to market. And so if I say, if I want to go here, I can start trading initially from the Gemini Exchange. I just put the $10 in there. So I have that in my account. Check them on balances, make sure everything is all right. And there you go. See this? USD $10. I do have 2 holds that's pending, but that's okay. It's 2 holds are pending right now. But look at this. I have $10 USD that's already on my account balance. So now I can go ahead and use that for trading initially, just like it says there. And let's look at transfer history. Look at this. This is what we just did. Here's the date, deposit via to the bank transfer. $10 is complete. And let's see. Yep, that's it. So now I can go ahead and start using this as trade. So I can actually go ahead and trade this immediately if I need to. I click on trade there. Look at that, click trade. And voila, I can start trading. Any of these assets I can purchase and trade and go from there. So this video is all about, depositing money and funds into your Gemini account. Sometimes it's good to have that in your account when you're just not ready to purchase right away. You just want to have the money there where you can go ahead and trade it. So that's really, really good to have. I really like that. And look at this, another feature here that you can actually download your tax documents. Oh, this is pretty cool. You can actually download all this to a PDF. I didn't know this part right here. Yeah, this is pretty cool. You actually can download this as well. So that's pretty good to do. And I really like this. Really like this show that shows you about your holds in your account. I do like that there. The earn, you actually can go to your earn account. We did another video over that where you can move this to your earn account. So let me look here. Yep, you can do that. But more importantly, in this video, deposit into Gemini and begin trading with that as well. And look at this, $10 is already there. Remember we talked about that earlier. I was saying that $10 will be in my USD, which means I can use that USD to purchase, to trade different assets like Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash and Filecoin and among others. It's really simple and really easy to do. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because we do things really, really simple and really easy to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. All right, well, stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to do a video over withdrawing from Gemini, so you want to watch that as well. Simple and really easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, right below this video, click on the link below for the Gemini. Signing up for an account. If you don't have an account, click on there, sign up. It's free to sign up. And then you're going to use that account to start investing into cryptocurrency. All right, I'll see you on the next video.